compact and lightweight. Here is a fun fact. Looking nice was by accident. On a final note, how did Modern Spare tackle the job of building the ideal compact spare tire kit for your car, van, or SUV? It comes down to asking the key questions, such as this. If we were designing and building the same advanced, sophisticated vehicles we see today, what spare tire would we build to go with them? Thankfully, designing and building incredible vehicles is already being done, so we only had to focus on the spare. Answering the key questions is evident in how we design our wheels. Using sophisticated engineering software and in conjunction with one of the world's most respected alloy wheel manufacturers, we built in the highest strength standards possible while keeping the wheel compact and under 18 pounds. The result is an attractive and ultra-strong alloy wheel designed first for function. Having the wheel look nice just happened to be good luck on our part. What about vehicles without a dedicated spare tire storage space? With our optional padded reinforced storage case, the jack and tool assembly can be stored neatly within the wheel and still maintain a low 6-inch profile when laid flat. You retain precious cargo space in your car and still enjoy peace of mind as you travel. From start to finish, the Modern Spare design for your vehicle is quite a remarkable accomplishment. Oh, and we almost forgot. Each Modern Spare features an unmatched component warranty and a 5-year fitment guarantee, so you know that down the road, you will always have peace of mind. Ask the right questions, set high standards, and build it right. That's Modern Spare.